guys, so today, look at them. They will do a food fight. Look at them. My brother's friends want to have a food fight. I don't know why, but they want to do a food fight, so why not? My mother, let's look at my mother. My mother is cooking pancit canton.
Kasi baka mo talaga na ano?
No! And look at them. Look at them. They're having a food fight.
Fred!
So today,
Magano ka naman ng ano?
let's look at my mother's cooking. So that's all. I will close the faucet. So that's all. My brother.
Itong kulang pitsil naman ko na.
My brother.
Ano naman ka lang sila kulang pitsil, linigan mo na. Kaya,
All for today. Goodbye, guys.